The 2024 Husqvarna TC85 19-16 stands out as a highly capable minicycle, bridging the gap between junior and full-size models in Husqvarna Motorcycles lineup. Boasting striking new graphics, this machine, along with its TC85 and TC50 counterparts, pays homage to the brand's Swedish heritage. Key features include MAXXIS MAXXCROSS MX-ST tires for stability and traction, adjustable WP XACT forks, and a formula clutch assembly for enhanced performance and durability. In terms of performance, the TC85's two-stroke engine utilizes innovative power valve technology for impressive mid-range performance. The lightweight crankcase, constructed through a high-pressure die-cast process, enhances handling by positioning shaft arrangements closer to the center of gravity. The upgraded diaphragm spring clutch, coupled with a formula hydraulic system, ensures durability and consistent performance. The chromium molybdenum steel frame provides precise feedback to young riders, complemented by WP XACT front forks and a WP XACT PDS monoshock for exceptional suspension performance. The lightweight aluminum subframe contributes to low weight and improved mass centralization. The bodywork, inspired by Swedish heritage, offers exceptional ergonomics tailored to 85 cubic centimeters riders. Braking components from Formula, Black XL rims with CNC machined hubs, and MAXXIS MAXXCROSS MX-ST tires on ODI lock-on grips ensure reliable and high-performance braking and handling. The TC85 incorporates technology such as an easily accessible twin air filter, strategically designed radiators for optimal airflow, a single-piece aluminum swing arm for strength and weight reduction, and an exhaust system tailored to the engine's characteristics. With a US MSRP price of $6,999, the 2024 Husqvarna TC85 19-16 is positioned as a competitive and feature-rich option for youth racers, combining style, performance, and advanced technology.